Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. For centuries, we've lived in boxes. But what if the strongest, most efficient, and most beautiful shape in nature, the sphere, was the key to your dream home? Today, we are leaving the square world behind to explore the truly revolutionary, modern dome house designs. From the famous geodesic designs of Buckminster Fuller to sleek, modern concrete spheres, these homes are changing the way we think about structure and sustainability. We're going to cover what makes a modern dome house special, its amazing advantages, and how to style the exterior. Plus, stick around for the top 10 breathtaking dome house design ideas we found. Let's get started on this architectural curveball. The term modern dome house design generally refers to any residential structure that utilizes a curved, rounded, or spherical shape for its primary enclosure. While domes have existed for millennia, the modern movement was ignited by the invention of the geodesic dome in the mid-20th century, championed by architect R. Buckminster Fuller. A modern dome is defined by its geometry, which is incredibly efficient. Domes enclose the largest volume of interior space with the least amount of surface area compared to any other shape. This geometric structure is often comprised of interconnected triangles, in a geodesic dome, or a seamless, monolithic shell made of concrete or foam. The modern component ensures the design avoids a rustic, hippie aesthetic and instead uses contemporary materials, large glass panels, strategic openings, and high-tech efficiency to create a sleek, futuristic, and highly livable home. It is, fundamentally, a dwelling where form and function merge to create a home that is both radically unique and naturally strong. Moving beyond the unique curb appeal, the benefits of owning a modern dome house are astonishing, particularly regarding performance. Firstly, the most significant benefit is structural strength. Because the curved shape naturally distributes stress across the entire surface, domes are incredibly resistant to high winds, seismic activity, and heavy snow loads, making them one of the safest residential structures available. They are, quite simply, the strongest shape known to man. Secondly, the spherical geometry offers tremendous energy efficiency. With less surface area exposed to the elements compared to a square house of the same volume, there is less space for heat to escape or enter. This is often coupled with continuous, seamless insulation, resulting in up to 50% savings on heating and cooling costs. Finally, the natural interior openness is a huge lifestyle benefit. The high, cathedral-like ceilings and lack of traditional load-bearing walls create a vast, light-filled, and spiritually uplifting living space that is impossible to replicate in a traditional rectilinear home. Decorating a dome house exterior is about respecting its dramatic, singular form while ensuring it looks polished and contemporary, not like a temporary shelter. The key is integration and contrast. Start by anchoring the base. Because the dome is so spherical and light-looking, grounding it is essential. Use a heavy, opaque base or stem wall clad in natural, rugged materials like stacked stone or polished concrete. This provides visual weight and enhances the contrast with the perfect curve above. Next, utilize strategic openings. The domed shape can feel closed off, so use large, custom-fit windows and glass doors, often triangular or trapezoidal, to break up the surface and draw light in. For a modern look, keep the window frames thin and dark. Finally, create a strong transition zone with decking. A wraparound deck or a geometric patio that complements the circular shape helps the dome flow seamlessly into the landscape, providing essential outdoor living space that mitigates the inward focus of the dome form. Prepare to be inspired by homes that redefine what a house can be. Here are the top 10 best modern dome house design ideas. One, the integrated earth-sheltered dome. This dome is partially buried and covered in soil and vegetation. This technique provides incredible insulation, minimizing temperature fluctuations and visually blending the structure perfectly into the hill or landscape. 2. Sleek white monolithic shell. This design emphasizes the seamless purity of the monolithic style. The smooth, uninterrupted white concrete finish creates a futuristic, minimalist aesthetic that allows the perfect curvature to speak for itself. 3. Geodesic with custom triangular deck. Here, the geometric complexity of the geodesic frame is complemented by a custom-built, multi-sided deck. This design creates a seamless transition zone that flows directly from the dome's angular facets. 4. Dome cluster with glass link. This large home uses multiple domes connected by a glass passageway. The link is a transparent design feature that allows light in and clearly separates the functional zones while retaining the efficiency of the individual spheres. 5. Forest retreat with full front glass panel. This dome features a huge, custom-shaped glass panel on the front face. This dramatic element completely opens the interior to the forest view, transforming the dome into a sophisticated, light-filled observatory. 6. The octadome with vertical walls. Notice how the lower section of the dome is vertical. This truncated design allows for easy placement of standard furniture and appliances against straight walls, solving one of the major functional challenges of pure dome living. 7. Dark wood panel geodesic. Instead of a metallic frame, this geodesic dome uses warm, dark wood paneling for its exterior. This choice softens the technological look of the dome and integrates it beautifully into a wooded, natural environment. 8. Stacked dome for lofted living. This design cleverly uses a smaller dome stacked on a larger one. This provides a lofted second story or cupola, maximizing the interior volume and providing a unique space for a study or master bedroom with panoramic views. 9. Industrial metal-clad dome. This design uses corrugated or flat metal panels in a dark color. This gives the dome an industrial, high-tech, and incredibly durable finish, often favored in areas with extreme weather for its resilience. 10. The skylight apex and interior volume. Looking inside, this dome features a large central skylight at the apex. This is vital for natural light, drawing the eye upward and emphasizing the incredible, uninterrupted volume and height of the circular living space. The modern dome house is a powerful statement, a home that defies convention, leverages natural geometry for supreme strength and efficiency, and offers a truly unique way of life. It challenges us to build smarter, not harder, and to embrace a form that is both ancient and profoundly futuristic. If you're looking for a structure that will lower your energy bills, stand up to a hurricane, and turn every head on the block, the dome might just be your perfect fit. I hope you are as inspired by these incredible curved designs as I am. Which of these dome styles, geodesic, monolithic, or octadome, would you choose? Tell me in the comments below. If you want to see more unique and better home designs, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios. Your support helps us bring you more innovative ideas every week. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.